I am using 5 mm crochet needle for this project. I have already done some chains. Now I'm going to have single crochet on each stitches. Completed first row. Now I'm going to start the second row. Chain 1, turn the work and continue one single crochet on each stitch. Now I reach to the last stitch of row number 2. Here the last stitch without finishing it. I'm going to change this color. Do not cut this. We are going to use it for next rows, so no need to cut this. Chain 1, turn the work and single crochet on each stitches. Complete row number 3, 4 with this same color. Reach to end of 4 rows. Now on the last, I'm not going to finish it with this one. I'm going to change the color and finish it with this one. Chain 1, leave this one, do not cut this, keep it aside and make single crochet on this. 1, 2, 3 and 4 stitches. Now I am going to do a long yarn crochet. Skip these 2 rows and insert into this row. Long stitches. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches, 4 single crochets on next 4 stitches. On the 5th stitch, a long crochet. Row number 5. Now I have made 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochets. I'm going to do one long stitch and one last single crochet. It's going to be like this. Now chain 1, turn the work and do single crochets on each stitch. Row number 6. Single crochet on each stitch. End of row number 6. Now I have completed here. Now I am going to use this color and complete the last stitch. Okay, chain 1, turn the work and single crochet on each stitches for 2 rows. Next 2 rows. Complete that and complete. End of row number 8. Without completing it, I am going to use this blue color. Chain 1, turn the work and single crochet on the first stitch, single crochet on the second stitch. Now I am going to do the long tail stitches. 1, 2, 3 on the third stitch. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. Now on the 5th stitch, I'm going to use the long tail. continue 4 single crochets and long stitch on the 5th stitch. 1 2 3 and 4 stitches. Now long stitch on this. Okay, the last set of stitches, long tail single crochet, 1 2 3 and 4 stitches here. Now chain 1, turn the work and repeat single crochet on each stitches. End of row number 10. Changing colors. Chain 1, turn the work and make single crochet on next 2 rows. Then row number 11 and row number 12 to repeat these stitches and continue.